To Mason Putnell. Hi, man. I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. They make videos on investing, making money online, passive income, and money-making apps. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Roll the intro, man.
I would like to take a few seconds to personally thank Tommy Chong, friend and actor of the Cheech and Chong movie series, for his support of the channel. Hey, welcome to the channel. Mason here with Stock Up 42. We have some great apps for you today. I'm saving the best app for last, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. These apps are going to give you free crypto every single day.
We put in hours of research to bring you the best opportunities available.
That's right, because more often than not it can feel like you're standing all alone on a deserted island.
Watching opportunities float by because you're sick and tired of all the scams. We need to give a quick disclaimer before we start.
We are not financial advisors. Do your own research and invest at your own risk. This video is for educational purposes only.
The first app I would like to mention is Ember.
Yes, Ember is a great app that allows you to earn free Bitcoin.
Indeed it does. It pays out in Bitcoin every 2 weeks. Don't worry about trying to remember these apps. I will put links to them in the description of the video.
The best part about Ember is how easy it is to earn Bitcoin. You simply open the app once a day and tap on the mining pick icon to start receiving your free Bitcoin. Then you can close the app or look at some of the absolutely great index investing opportunities.
Yes, index investing is a group of stocks or cryptocurrencies that by investing in the index you own a percentage of every stock or crypto listed.
Indeed, as an example, by investing in one index you might own Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin.
The next app on the list is Binance Exchange. Binance is a great exchange with trading bots that will automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency for you. You can also stake crypto to earn interest on it.
Binance is a great way to earn passive income. There will be a link for Binance in the description of the video.
The Pi app. It's preparing for stage 3 of its cryptocurrency release. You can currently mine the Pi tokens in the app. The Pi tokens will later be used to either exchange, stake, or enter NFT giveaways.
Some NFTs are worth well over $20,000. I'll put a link in the description for the Pi app. Another great app similar to Pi app is the Hi app, and you can earn Hi coin by simply opening the app once a day and answering a simple question. Hi coin currently is worth over $1 a coin and is listed on several exchanges. I'll also put a link for this app in the description of the video.
I'm really enjoying playing Mir 4. It's a mobile game that you earn free cryptocurrency with.
Yeah, after you reach level 40 in the game you can earn Dark Steel. You can earn the Dark Steel by completing missions in the game or by mining in certain areas in the game.
I was going to wait until I reached level 40 to tell everyone about the game, but it has been really fun to play. It can also take up to 15 days to reach level 40. But the best thing about Mir 4 is you don't have to purchase an NFT to earn crypto.
Yes, you can exchange the Dark Steel for actual money according to the reviews. I will show some of the gameplay so everyone can see it.
We created our own clan in Mir for its stock up 42YT, the letters are all together and we would absolutely love for you to join. We would like to thank all of our subscribers for being part of the community. We would also like to give a special thanks to Tommy Chong, friend and actor in the Cheech and Chong movie series, for his support of the community. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos. Thanks for watching and being part of Stock Up 42.